Are you heading to Japan and want to know how to exchange your JR Pass at the Narita Airport? Don't worry, we got you covered. Okay, so let's get started. Get your vouchers ready and walk towards the International Arrivals A. Look for the train sign taking you to B1F and use the escalator. Once you get down to B1F, look to your right and you will see another train sign. Keep walking straight and look for the JR sign in the roof. This is the JR East Travel Service Center, which allows you to exchange your JR voucher for a JR Pass. Start by getting in line, have your passport and JR Pass voucher ready. Once you're called, head to the desk with your number and talk to the JR staff. They will ask you to show your passport and the JR voucher, so make sure to have that ready. The next step is to select your activation date. You can either choose today or a later date. And finally, you will receive your JR Pass. Get ready to explore Japan with unlimited train rides and Shinkansen bullet train rides. If you have a JR Pass, the Narita Express train to Tokyo is included. Find your seat and get ready for a trip of a lifetime. Japan is waiting for you. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and we will provide you with more JR content.